Hey, did you know that you can use fully integrated AI to onboard, map, transform, and validate product information at scale with the Inriver PIM? This not only helps you save time and improve your data accuracy, it also helps you kickstart your product data lifecycle on the right foot and enables true control of your product data current at scale. Let me show you what this looks like. First, simply upload your file and let AI review your content. It automatically spots and fixes small errors, highlighting every change so you can see exactly what has been improved already. You can then choose to apply AI fixes to specific values and let it remember your preferences for next time, helping you to speed up the process. And when you're working with larger data sets, apply AI to all errors in one go. It will run through everything, correcting inconsistencies and standardizing your data automatically. Once complete, simply onboard your data and you're ready to go for next steps. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on content onboarding or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.